Before I decided to come to Skill Distillery, I was working at a pretty successful startup in Washington, D.C., doing marketing and communications and really anything that they needed me to do. I decided to come to Skill Distillery because at my last job I really noticed that it was the developers who had the most power to make the most change in the company. And I really got to a point where I decided that that was what I wanted to do, and the changes that I wanted to make required me to become a developer. When I started looking at boot camps, it seemed like my only option was to learn Ruby, which I didn't necessarily want to do. I wanted to learn a language that was much more scalable and dynamic, and I found Skill Distillery, and I really appreciated the application process. I got personal emails back and phone calls, so I decided to do Skill Distillery. I learned so much more than I ever could have imagined. If you would have asked me on my first day if at the end of the program I could build entire websites completely from scratch, I never would have believed you. I thought maybe at the end of this program I'd be able to join a team and do a little bit of something, but I mean, I can now say that I can take any project that I can personally think of and do it on my own, and I know that I'll be able to get it done, which is pretty amazing. I was lucky enough that 3 weeks before the program ended, I got a job, which I also never would have thought would be possible. My salary is 50% higher than it was at my last position, which I never thought would be possible, so it was entirely worth the investment to come here. And I'll be working as a Java developer, a full-time Java developer at an established company that was the right size for me, the right culture for me, and the right position, and I'm really excited about it.